Hey, it's Chris with C&H Auto Accessories coming from hot, sunny Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we have a product that you didn't know you can get if you have a toolbox with your truck. What am I talking about? I'll tell you 1 second. By the way, this is our telephone number to the store. I know a lot of people have a lot of good questions. Well, we got a lot of good answers, so give us a call. Now, I will put a link of this product at the bottom of this YouTube video, so if you want to order it. But my recommendation, anytime you want to get something, call us up. We're going to ask you some questions. We'll make sure we get you the right product, just like we did with this customer. So, buddy, come on over here. We have the Chevy Silverado. Customer just bought it. Has a nice little toolbox on here. And what did we put on here? Well, we put on a cover. I know a lot of people get a toolbox. Oh, I got a toolbox. I can't get a cover. That is not true. This cover here works specifically with the toolbox. It comes with this little extra thing here, and basically that comes up there. We actually put a seal in the back as well. Now, what's nice about the toolbox he picked out, it does have release mechanism on the side here, but even if you have a release mechanism in the front here, as you can see, you can still access it, but it is better this way. And I do like his toolbox in black here. Now again, let's go look over the cover. Now, if you look real closer, there's actually nice design work. I know a lot of times when they do these vinyl covers, they're just kind of a little plain Jane. Well, Access says, you know what? We want a little pizzazz. And it does have a little pizzazz. It gives it a little sharper look here. So let's go in here and I'll show you everything works. Now, this is a rolling cover. Now, I like the rolling covers because if I got a folding cover, you lose so much of your bed here. Let's see here. Now, let's go ahead and release that. Now, if you look here, I can release on the driver's side. I can also release it on the passenger side. Why is that important? If, let's say you're on a highway, you're pulling off to the side of the road, you need to get something out of your truck, and you got all the traffic coming this way, it is better to go to the other side because it is safer. So that's nice to have left and right here. Now, another nice feature on this, if you look, there's a support system here. Now, if you live up north, a lot of times snow would sit on here. Now, if you notice when it was closed, it's all flat and you couldn't see the support system. But it's nice to know it is there. Now, in Florida, we don't have to worry about snow. We worry about rain. And you don't want the rain to sag in there, and you got a nice little bathtub coming up here. With the support system, that's going to keep the water from sagging there. Now, if you look closely, you'll notice this sits a little higher. Now, why do I like that? Now, I do like a low profile, but this is a little bit better. I don't know how many times I'm putting something into my bed, and it's just a little too tall for my cover. This one gives you a little bit more space. So if you got a little taller item, if he's using this for work, he has a toolbox, he might be just doing that. He might need that extra inch of space. So that's a really nice feature. Let's go here. Now, when we roll it all the way up here, you'll notice you don't really lose any of the bed in front of the toolbox. So it's almost exactly the same amount of space here. You got the room underneath the toolbox like you did before. You got the little rod here. But again, if you're gonna get full access to the bed, this cover will let you do that. Again, you can strap it closed over here. That's not a problem. So again, this is a great little setup here. Just go and roll it closed here. Now, when you go to close this, if you see there's a little groove here and there's a little groove here, again, kind of just stick it in those little grooves. Just push it down. Nothing too hard. Now you can go around the side here like I like to do, and I like to pull them a little tighter. So now these will stretch a little with the sun, so I like that, but right now these are fitting just perfect. I like the look. The most important thing is the function. It works really well. Again, if you like this product, give us a call. We can ship this anywhere in the country, or we can install it for you. Again, this is a Access rolling cover on a Chevy Silverado 1500 with the full-size toolbox. And before I forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.